Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will show you how you can create the structure of any material in wien2k and visualize it with Xcrysden and Vesta. If you have not installed these softwares and want to know the installation, please subscribe my channel. I will post the installation of these softwares in my coming videos. So in today's video I will show you how you can create the structure of any material in wien2k. The steps are very simple. First of all, you open the terminal, then go to W2 web and open the link in browser and type your ID and password, and then if you want to create the NaCl, then you will create the new section of NaCl, and if you want to create the structure of any other material, you definitely create the new section of that material. So in today's video I will create the structure of NaCl. So let's start. Open the terminal. In terminal I will type W2 web. This port is already in use. I will just type W2 web -p and 7894. So W2 server started, and now I will click the link and open it in browser. So here I will type my username and password, then click this OK and not now. You can save or not now the session, and I have already created the section NaCl, but I have deleted these files, so here there is no directory, and I will delete the previous directory. Now I will create the new section with the name NaCl. And I will create the new directory. Here you click the new directory. Here you see that the current directory is this wien2k and NaCl. So I will click the current directory and start the new session. So in this way you can open the NaCl session. So here you can create the structure, and here you can view the structure. We are going to create the structure, and here generate the structure with template, or you can also upload the CIF of any material. If you have CIF file or TXT file, you can just upload the file from here. As I have not the CIF file of NaCl, so I will create the template of NaCl. As NaCl have 2 atoms, so I will generate the template of 2 atoms. If you have material having the 3 atoms or 4 atoms, you just generate the template of 3 or 4 atoms. As NaCl have 2, so I will create the generate the template of 2 atoms. So here in title I will place the NaCl. Its space group is required, its lattice parameters are required, its positions are required. So this data can be acquired from a website, material project website. So from material project you can find a bundle of data. You just place the your material, search your material from here, and you will find hopefully you will find the required data for your material. As I am going to plot the NaCl, so NaCl structure for Na and Cl, just search NaCl. Here you find the many material IIDs and their corresponding formulas. Here you can see that NaCl cubic, NaCl hexagonal, NaCl 3 orthorhombic, and these all type of structure that are already present, their data are already existed in this website. So as I am going to generate the cubic NaCl structure, so I just click on the material ID of cubic NaCl. Here you can see that its space group, its band gap, and here you can see the lattice constants, its positions. So I need this data, lattice constant, positions, and also the space group. So just 2 to 5 and the lattice constants 5.59, and these are the position, and is 0 0 0 and it's 0 0 half. So I will place these parameters in. So first of all I select the space group 2 to 5. Here is 2 to 5 FM 3M, and its lattice is 5.59, next 5.59, next 5.59, and its angles are 90, and first atom is Na, second is Cl. You just need the positions 0 0 0 0 0 half. No need to place the value of Z or RMT, it will choose these values automatically. You will see that when I save the structure and RMT. Here if you want to run the single calculation, just go for with the 0%. Otherwise for force minimization, if you are going to optimize the geometry, then you can also type the reduced RMT's values here, so that you can avoid the overlapping. So I am going to run just for one time, so I will just go with 0. So save the structure and save and clean the file, edit structure, save the structure. About now structure is already made. In here you can see the Z value and RMT values are already chosen automatically. So we can visualize the structure with Xcrysden. Xcrysden is already installed in this wien2k. So I just click on the view structure, and here you can see the structure of NaCl in Xcrysden. If I will display the atomic symbols, here you can see the NaCl structure. So now I would like to show you how this structure file can be opened in the Vesta. So go to the NaCl session, and here I found the NaCl.struct file. So I just copy this file from here and just paste in here in Vesta. So I will open the Vesta, and from here I will open the file, and in Vesta I have NaCl.struct file. Just open it. Here you can see the same structure of NaCl. Here bonds are already shown. So if you also want to show the Na and Cl, you can see the Na atoms and Cl atoms from here. So this is how we can create the structure of any material in the wien2k and visualize it with the Xcrysden and Vesta. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and like. See you in next video. Goodbye.